this video, we are thoroughly testing out the build quality of the Realme 11 Pro Plus 5G, Realme's newest number series flagship device. This test will also double up for the Realme 11 Pro Plus 5G with the same leather matte design and body. We are hoping that the 11 Pro series is not such a major disaster as the Realme GT Neo 3T was. Again, a good quality free case inside the box itself. It should give adequate protection if you decide not to go for a third-party case for the moment. The Realme 11 Pro 5G in itself is one of the better looking mid-range phones of 2023 that you can lay hands on. The faux leather design is the thing which makes it stand out with a unique look, but will it also stand out in terms of build quality? That's what we're here to find out. The SuperVOOC fast charger inside the box makes things a bit sweeter for the unboxing experience.
At the front is the 32.33 megapixel CMOS sensor type on the Pro Plus and 15.93 megapixel on the Pro variant. The primary camera consists of the Samsung S5 KHP3 200.54 megapixel on the Pro Plus and the Samsung S5 KHM6 108 megapixel on the Pro. An 8 megapixel ultra-wide second camera on the Pro Plus and a depth sensing 2 megapixel on the Pro. And a third 2 megapixel macro camera only on the Pro Plus variant. The good thing is that at least the Pro Plus and Pro variants both have optical image stabilization, a feature usually found only on flagship devices. We sincerely hope that the undisclosed glass protection on the Realme 11 Pro Plus and the Pro, both of which does not have Corning's Gorilla Glass protection, is able to survive our severe scratch abuses, since devices which have failed the most on the channel have been from BBK itself. Only if it had Gorilla Glass, we would have been more confident because of its excellent record. The Realme 11 Pro series does not have Corning's Gorilla Glass protection, but somehow it does manage to pass our scratch test without a scratch. Now onto the dreaded drop test, in which, if you remember, the Realme GT Neo 3T was a massive failure, lots of cracks and damages, eventually leading to a dead OLED and a huge repair bill if you didn't buy insurance. We're performing 6 drops, 2 low drops on the back and front, and 4 high drops, 2 high drops with the default case on the top and bottom, then the 2 danger high drops on the leather back and on the OLED display side. As expected, no damages as yet from both low drops. Good job until now from the Realme design team. Next, 4 high drops. First 2 high drops on bottom and top with the provided protection. Great, the default protection does its job with 0 dents or marks. Next, third high drop from camera leather backside. Things seem to function as normal with no breaks or damages. Now the finale high drop you have been waiting for. Will it get decimated like the Realme GT Neo 3T? This time props should be given to the design team. The Realme 11 Pro Plus or Pro passes the dreaded drop test. Next on to fun stuff with value, the bend test for the build quality. Is the faux leather design strong enough to survive a few serious bends? A little bit more flex than we expected from the first bend, yet it manages not to break at this stage.
A definite cracking noise from the leather side pressure, but no visible cracks as yet. This time the leather design is capable of surviving various accidents to quite an extent. The Realme 11 Pro Plus and Pro also passes the bend test.